Next, we're going to move into supine cow face stretch. This one can be used instead of the figure 4 stretch or in addition to it. It's a little more challenging for some people. Begin by stretching your legs up to the ceiling, cross one knee over the other, and bend your knees. So it's just like doing cow face where you're sitting on the floor, but it's much more accessible. Then you're going to take your hands on top of your shins, and I'm pushing my feet towards each other, and then I'm going to press gently down. Now you can push, contracting as you come out of it, and then contracting as you go deeper into it. Or you can release it as you come out of it and resist as you're going into it. Again, resisting both on the in and the out is definitely more work, requiring more strength training. But you for sure want to resist as I'm dropping into the stretch. I'm pushing my shins into my hands and my hands into my shins. The feet are more directly out to the side. Then after you've done maybe 6 to 10 repetitions, you're going to start to feel a little bit more movement. And then at that point, hold isometrically for a few breaths, 1 to 2 breaths, 8 to 10 seconds. And then just relax that and let the deepening of the stretch happen. I'm not trying to pull my heels towards my buttocks. I'm trying to bring my feet more parallel to the ceiling. Imagine cow face if you were sitting on the floor. Then you release, bring the legs up. Remember which one you cross on top. Switch to the other one. Bring the legs across. So I'm going to push down with my hands and up with my legs. I'll start out with resisting both times on the way up and on the way out. And then as my muscles get tired, I'm just going to resist as I move into the stretch. You should never feel any joint pain. Should be nice, slow breathing. Always receiving what's there, never forcing. If you have any pain in the knees with this, just don't do this one. Just let it happen. Going into your final stretch, you're going to hold, isometrically pushing up with the legs, down with the hands. And then release that and just let the weight of your hands pull the legs down, or you could even release like we did in the butterfly and let gravity do your work. This is just your static stretch. And then coming out, coming back to a neutral position, letting those hips marinate a little bit.